Andrew has lost his whole wardrobe. Don't show me! No! Sorry, I just need a head. I'm not ready. So, we're off to Party City right now. Find some face paint. And I seem to have lost Akamaru. And your fangs. And my fangs! Both poor fangs. Yes, we must go find Akamaru. I don't know where Akamaru went. I was sleeping. I was having a dream. And then I forgot it. Don't ask me. And I woke up and I was like, Akamaru, help me! I had a bad dream. And he's all like, Akamaru! And I couldn't find him! And so I called Kinky, and I was like, Kinky! Where's Akamaru? And he's like, I don't fucking know. And I was like, fuck you! Ready, Keebs? Alright. Worms, 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 worms. Worms, worms. My shoes are squeaking. Or is that yours? Worms. Kenki must really need to go pee right now. But in this one piece, don't think it's gonna happen. Dude, check out that doghouse. No, back there. Go in it. Can you? See if you fit. You need to know. No, too big. Your butt is too big. Yummy. What kind is that?
Propane.
Never heard of it.
Chicken and rice. My favorite.
Yum.
Oh, it's Purina.
Uh-oh.
Purina puppy cow.
Got a bit of dilemma here.
Kinky.
I don't know. No, maybe you should just wait for Akamaru. When you find him, because you've lost him, you bad owner you.
Akamaru?
I don't think so.
Not Akamaru.
No.
Oh, does not make that noise.
Thank God. No! Look what I did. No.
Oh dear.
Yeah? Is it bad?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
There's a fish.
Oh.
What are we doing? What was this fish? Go, Kinky, go! See the toidles? I want a toidle. Don't do it. Don't do it, Kinky. No, Kinky, no. Don't. No, Kinky. I still need those wax worms. I don't know. Cool. Wax worms, where are you? No, Kinky, no! I want a fish. That's gonna make him sick. Yeah. Kinky, where's Karasu? Oh. What about the other two? Their names.
Shut up. Where's Akamaru, huh? Right.
Akamaru! I'll stay out here. What? Only Kiba can skip. Can Micro's not the skipping type. In this male-male relationship, you're the dominant one. What's that called? Yuki or something? Or, nope, no, that's not it. I don't know. We'll go watch a Yowie video. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Stay.
That way.
Stay.
That way. Throw it that way.
Okay. Stay. I will. I'm gonna throw it right there. Okay, stay. Go fetch! Go fetch! Go fetch! Fetch the ball! Bring it back! Bring it back! Good, good, Kiva. Good, Keeb. Okay, ready? Hey, Keeb. Hey. Go get it! Go get it! Bring it back. Good, Keeb. Good. No more. Refrain. Go. Keeb. It's okay. Don't be such a Debbie Downer, Keeb. Oh no. Never mind. Get in the car, Keeb. Get in the car.
Akamaru! Julie!
We found Akamaru! Yay! Jill, come here.
Let's try her hose now. Julie!
Time to give Akamaru a bath. Hey, go over there. Chill. Oh, how sweet. Maybe you can use a rag? Okay.